How to fix Instagram confirmation code not sending. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we will learn how we can fix if Instagram is not sending confirmation codes, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So basically, if Instagram is not sending you confirmation code, it's actually quite very simple to fix it. For that, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Instagram application here. And let's say you've been trying to log into your account or maybe do something, but then Instagram is not sending you the code. In that case, do not try from the same tab again and again. Just go ahead and close the Instagram app. After you close the Instagram app, long press on it, tap the eye icon to come to the app info page, and then just go to storage, clear cache, and make sure to clear the data. Once you've done that, check if the Instagram app has an update. Now, other thing is, on the number that Instagram is sending you the code to, make sure that you have access to that number, because if that SIM card is basically not active, in that case also you might not receive such type of messages. So check whether or not you're receiving messages on your SIM card and then see if that helps you. If you have any further issues, make sure to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.